Namaskara and a warm welcome to Vividha Vachalaya. Hope you all are safe and healthy and getting prepped up for Deepavali, the glittering festival of lights. The festival in itself brings in a lot of joy and happiness. The festival of lights cleanses negative vibes and brings in positivity everywhere. In this video, I am going to share the significance of the first day of Deepavali and our small tribute to Ma Ganga. The first day of the 5-day long Deepavali is celebrated as Dhanteras or Dhanvantari Trayodasi and Neeru Tumbuva Habba. Dhanteras, Dhan meaning God Dhanvantari and Teras meaning 13th day of the 15-day lunar cycle. This day falls on the 13th day of Krishna Paksha of Kartika Masa, which is celebrated to offering prayers to God Dhanvantari. It is said that Lord Dhanvantari, the god of medicine, came out holding a pot of Amrita when both Asuras and Suras jointly churned the ocean of milk. On the day of Dhanteras, the 13th day of Krishna Paksha, we offer prayers to God Dhanvantari to bless us with good health for our entire life and to resolve any health issues that we may be going through. It is also a belief that on this day, if gold is bought, it is very auspicious. The money lord Kubera and the mother of all wealth, Mata Mahalakshmi, is worshipped on this day also. Some people also buy rice, jaggery, dal, turmeric and salt as important cooking items and pray that they always be abundant with good food, which in turn gives them healthy and long life. The 13th day of Krishna Paksha in the Kartika Masa is also celebrated as Neeru Tumbuva Habba in the south, especially in Karnataka, where we clean all the water storing containers thoroughly. Kept in its place a sacred yellow thread where flowers and turmeric stick is knotted as pendant is tied around the neck of the container. A separate container, a kalasha, is specially kept in a clean place on a small table decorated with colorful rangoli on it. It is decked up with cloth, silk cloth especially, and flowers. Some people also dress it up with ornaments. Mango leaves or betel nut leaves are then arranged at the mouth of the kalasha. Then betel nut, copper coins and grains are added and if feasible, precious stones like diamond, emerald, sapphire, ruby, gold and pearls can also be added. It is then filled with clean water and a coconut is placed on the mouth of the kalash. And the sacred yellow thread with flowers and turmeric stick as pendant is placed around the neck of the kalasha. Then the sacred river names are chanted to invoke them in the water inside the kalasha. Here goes the invoking prayer. Gange cha yamune chaiva godavari saraswati narmade sindhu kaveri jalesmin sannidhim kuru. Meaning, I invoke the presence of holy waters from the rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu and Kaveri. A puja is performed to the invoked holy rivers in the kalasha using kunkuma, haldi, chandana, pushpa, akshate and lighting lamps in front of it. Any sweet is offered as naivedyam or offering to God and then tambulam is offered and then arati is done to the kalasha invoked of sacred rivers. Then a small pot of this holy water is taken from the kalasha and sprinkled on all present there and around the house, which is a procedure to cleanse away anything negative from in and around us. Next day morning, in little or equal quantities, this sacred water is used for the oil bath ceremony by all at home. And this is how the first day of Deepavali goes by. Here is a small tribute from our side to Ma Ganga on this holy occasion. Om Shuddha Ganga Shri Ganga Bhagavati Nandakini Paramavega Duritanashini Swarnadyai Mandakini.
गङ्गे पुण्यपावनि शिवे समस्तरोगनिवारिणि लोकोद्धारि शुभकरी महामोक्षप्रदायिनि ललिते जलधाररूपिणि श्रीमाता भयङ्करी श्वेतशान्तिः सुमनोहरि सर्वसिद्धिप्रदायिनी विष्णुपादोदकशुचिः महापातकनाशिनी भागीरथि जाह्नवी शम्भुमौळिविहारिणी गिरिराजसुतत्रिनयनी मृत्यु अभयदायिनी करुणामयि जगदाम्ब नित्यानन्दसुखदायिनी नित्यानन्दसुखदायिनी नित्यानन्दसुखदायिनी
Hope you all liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vivida Vachalaya if you have not yet. Thanks for watching.